How to enable 2FA authentication on Snapchat. Tap on it and open it like this. Then tap on the profile icon on top of the screen. Tap on settings. Then scroll up here until you get to two-factor authentication. Tap on it. It comes out like this. When logging in, you will need to provide an extra login code after password. Your login code will be sent via SMS. Once you enter your login code, we will know it's really you. So tap on continue. Now tap on let's do it. So now that you've done let's do it here, you have two settings here. The first one is a code will be sent to your phone number using SMS, WhatsApp or other. So tap on this button. Now a code will be sent here. Let's wait and send that code. So maybe that code will be sent through WhatsApp. Let's go to WhatsApp now and open WhatsApp on our device. Then let's wait and see if Snapchat will send us a code. And here is the code. Tap and copy this verification code. Go to the Snapchat app, then provide it here. Tap on continue. Then this is okay. Now save is your backup code. You have to save this in a safe place. Then you can copy and save in the clipboard. Tap on next button. Then tap on setup app. Now here you can manually set it up. So let's tap on setup manually. Let me tap on this one. Now here you have to use Google Authentication. Let me copy this button, copy, then tap on continue. So let's go to the authentication code on our device. Then I want to use Google Authenticator. Then here tap on this plus icon. Then tap on enter key. Then here tap Snapchat. Then provide the key here. Tap on add. Now here the Snapchat. Now copy this code. Open the Snapchat app on your device. Then paste the code here. Tap on continue. Now you can say that we've added two authentication code here. We added the test verification, then we added this code. So you can now toggle this off if you wish, or you can toggle it on. The recovery code, then forget your device. So let's leave this for now. This is the simplest guys on how to add 2FA authentication to your Snapchat on your iPhone. If you enjoyed this tip and have not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.